How to play Roblox High School Legacy. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore the feasibility of engaging with Roblox High School Legacy. Is it attainable or not? Let's delve into it. Nowadays, when you navigate to the Roblox High School section on the Roblox website, you will be automatically directed to the Roblox High School experience. The official Roblox High School Legacy page states that this is the original version of the Roblox High School. With a caveat, access to Roblox High School Legacy is limited to prevent exploitation. Only accounts with a minimum of 24 hours of playtime in Roblox High School Legacy are eligible to join this game version. Attempting to join without meeting this playtime requirement will result in the automatic redirection to the new version. Unfortunately, there is no current workaround for this restriction. Even the wiki page for the Roblox High School confirms the same information. As of November 2022, accounts without at least 24 hours of playtime in the Legacy version are unable to access it. Playing the Legacy version is only possible for those who had previously engaged with it. The intention of this video is not to spread misinformation but to inform viewers that the only way to experience Roblox High School is through its new iteration. If this video has addressed any queries you might have or had, please consider liking and subscribing for more informative contents like this. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next video.